Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
All right, so hello everyone. How are you guys doing? Oh, I should probably take these glasses off though because they are going to glare on the camera screen. There we go. So I have been sitting here. I want y'all to know I have wanted to start a YouTube channel for quite some time. And I pick up the camera to vlog. I try to record when I'm out. When I tell you I have so much footage and I have just never posted anything. And I think I haven't posted anything just purely out of fear. So now that I am more determined than ever, if nothing else, just to get over my fear, because I'm not even sure why I have it, I am going to just start posting. So I have had this channel forever. I have recently been posting shorts, you know, little mommy shorts, little first time mom things, because I do have a son now. He's 6 months old. And I think my channel will be a combination of being a first time mom and what that experience looks like. Definitely you're gonna get some vlogs in there. And we might even, you know, just do some chit chats and have some conversations. My goal is to stop thinking and overthinking and just do. So this is me making a commitment to say that at the very minimum, every week I am going to try to post something on this channel other than a short, and try to build out this content. So bear with me. I'll probably sort through what I have to see if I have anything in the vault where I can do some of like my vlogs I was doing when I was pregnant and some of those things I was going through. Plus I need to work on my editing too. So it'll be fun to use, you know, some of those clips I have and see if I can put a couple videos together. And now I'll start, you know, picking up the camera and vlogging more and talking to you guys, you know, throughout the day. I do work from home. My son is in school / daycare 3 days a week. And then, you know, just out and around, moving around the city. I do live in Houston, so we always trying to do something, child. So we'll see. So welcome. Stay a while. If you have content ideas, please share them with me. Please make sure that you know, if you have questions about being a first-time mom, and let's be clear, I'm a first-time mom at 40. So, you know, that looks a little different. So if you want to know about that journey, if you want to learn a little bit about me and my son, or my son and I should say, just kick your feet up and stay a while. I'll say this will be the first video. This is, I guess, maybe a little mini intro. I'm Siobhan, just Siobhan, by the way. My friends call me Shy, Siobhan, Vaughn, it doesn't matter. And I am looking forward to getting to know all of you. I don't know why I'm so nervous and I'm literally just sitting in my living room talking to y'all. But okay. So, yes. So that's what we're gonna do. I am going to make sure I go ahead and get this posted because I don't want to psych myself out. And I want to stick to my commitment. And we'll say this is going to be formally day 1 of me creating content. So hopefully it's not boring and we have some fun, and I cannot wait to get to know all of you. And that is it. See you in the next video.
Only been a few